Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two writing ranking high platform, which is Writewell. So to get started with a quick analysis about this platform, Writewell has emerged as a versatile AI-powered writing assistant designed to enhance content creation for writers, marketers, and businesses. This platform offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the writing process, providing a real-time suggestion for grammar, styles, and structure. Writewell's AI algorithm analyzes context to offer relevant vocabulary and enhancement and tone adjustment, ensuring that the content resonates with the intended audience. Additionally, its integration with popular word processors and content management system streamline and the workflow allowing users to write and edit writers their preferred environment. Now, beyond basic writing assistance, Writewell incorporates with SEO optimization tools that help users craft content optimized for search engines. Features such as keywords density analysis, readability scores, and the meta description suggestion enable writers to produce content that not only engage readers but also rank well in search results. The platform adaptability to various writing styles and its support for multiple languages make it a valuable tool for a global user space, whether you are drafting blogger posts, marketing copies, or academic paper. Writewell offer a comprehensive suite of tools to elevate your writing and improve online visibility. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform. And that's it.